The next time you pick up a bottle of water or your favorite soft drink, you'll know the incredible journey it took before reaching your hands.
Have you ever wondered how a handful of tiny plastic pellets becomes the bottle you use every day? Inside a modern manufacturing plant, thousands of bottles are produced every hour with remarkable speed and precision. From drying raw PET pellets, inspection, packaging, and recycling, every step plays a vital role. Join us as we go behind the scenes to discover how plastic bottles are made. Every plastic bottle begins with a remarkable material called PET, or polyethylene terephthalate. PET is exceptionally strong, lightweight, food-safe, and fully recyclable, making it the ideal material for beverage bottles. The pellets arrive at the factory in bulk before beginning their transformation into plastic bottles. Before processing begins, every pellet must be completely dry to ensure flawless bottle production. Powerful drying systems circulate hot air for several hours, removing every trace of moisture before manufacturing begins. Once completely dried, the PET pellets travel through vacuum conveyors toward the injection molding machine. The pellets enter a large hopper where the injection molding process begins. Inside the machine, a rotating screw pushes the pellets through a heated barrel. Temperatures rise to nearly 270 degrees Celsius, melting the pellets into a thick, crystal-clear liquid. The rotating screw mixes the molten plastic until it reaches a perfectly uniform consistency. The molten plastic is injected under extremely high pressure into precision-engineered steel molds. Instead of making bottles directly, the mold creates small tube-shaped parts called preforms. Each preform already includes the finished bottleneck and threaded cap section. Cooling channels quickly solidify each preform before robotic systems transfer them for inspection. Freshly molded preforms leave the injection molding machine and begin their journey to the automated quality inspection system. Before becoming bottles, every preform undergoes a rigorous quality inspection process. High-speed vision cameras inspect every preform for cracks, bubbles, scratches, color consistency, and surface imperfections. Precision sensors verify the weight and wall thickness of every preform to ensure perfect consistency. Any preform that fails inspection is automatically identified and removed from the production line. Only perfectly inspected preforms continue toward the next stage, ready to become finished plastic bottles. Although the preforms have already cooled, they must be carefully reheated before they can be shaped into bottles. Each preform enters an infrared heating oven, where carefully controlled heating elements warm the plastic evenly. The goal is to prepare every preform for stretching while preserving its strength and durability. Computer-controlled sensors monitor every preform, guaranteeing the perfect temperature before bottle forming begins. Now comes the most fascinating stage of the entire process, transforming a tiny preform into a full-sized plastic bottle. Each heated preform is carefully placed inside a precision-engineered bottle-shaped mold. Next, compressed air is injected at extremely high pressure, often exceeding 40 bar. The powerful air pressure expands the softened plastic outward until it perfectly matches the mold. Cold water circulating through the mold instantly cools the bottle, locking its final shape into place. The mold opens, and robotic arms remove the finished bottle before transferring it to the next stage of production. Freshly molded bottles now undergo another series of rigorous quality inspections before they can leave the production line. Laser measuring systems verify every bottle's height, diameter, neck dimensions, and overall geometry with exceptional precision. Air pressure testing confirms that every bottle is perfectly sealed, with no hidden leaks. Selected bottles undergo impact and compression testing to ensure they can withstand transportation and stacking. Only bottles that successfully pass every inspection continue to the packaging stage. Approved bottles continue along automated conveyor belts toward the final packaging systems. Robotic packaging systems organize the bottles into perfectly aligned bundles before wrapping begins. Cinchins. Each bottle receives its label and cap through a fully automated packaging process, preparing it for filling, storage, and
protective plastic film is automatically wrapped around each bundle to keep the bottles secure during handling.
Depending on the production line, the bottles are either packed into cardboard cartons or prepared directly for palletizing. The completed pallets are wrapped for protection, then transported to the warehouse, ready for shipment to beverage companies around the world.
Modern plastic bottle manufacturing places a strong focus on reducing waste and protecting the environment.
Defective bottles and leftover plastic are collected, shredded into small flakes, and prepared for recycling.
Many manufacturers now use recycled PET, or rPET, allowing new bottles to be produced from previously used plastic.
Energy-efficient machinery helps reduce electricity consumption while maintaining high production performance. Together, these innovations make today's plastic bottle manufacturing cleaner, more efficient, and more sustainable than ever before.